So Ice Spice just got on a new jazz beat.
What the fuck I'ma say in the intro?
Real quick, I just want to say the song is produced by Venny, Synthetic, and Riot. So for all you guys in the comments that are be like, bro, you didn't even give credit to you didn't even give credit to who made the beat. There you go. All you underground producers need to chill out. As soon as more people start making the genre, you guys are like, this shit's burnt. This shit's never gonna die. Shit just evolves, you know what I'm saying? The mainstream is super behind, so whatever you think is dead, it's really not dead. It's just getting started for like the normie. Enough yapping, let's get to it. Kind of like Jersey, you want to do like around 120 BPM. You want some sort of like synth. Let's go with this one. This one's got like that feeling to it, you know what I'm saying? Should paste that over. Randomize velocities, Option R or Alt R if you're on PC. I'm just gonna find a lead. You want one of these kind of like ringy ones, you know? It's like super resonant. I'm gonna use this one for now. I like this one. I'm gonna switch it out later. And then this is super sauce right here. If you guys want to make one shots glidable, go over here to this wrench and then turn on port, mono, and then put this to 1. And this makes your one shots like automatically glide. So you don't have to do like the slide note thing. You could just like use it like that. I'm just gonna try editing this sound a little bit. I'm just gonna add some effects and just kind of like make it sound more like together. Try a different lead. I might go back to it though. I think I'm gonna keep this one for like the low part, and then I'm gonna keep this first one too, but I'm just gonna take out these. So like switches. So that sounds good. Yeah, I like that. I'm gonna take all these melodies right here, route it to this track here. And I'm just gonna toss a master on it. Go to my mint kit. I'm gonna grab this melody texture right here. I'm gonna start on the drums. I'm gonna go to this kit that I'm working on. And then you just want to add like a Jersey kick. This is what you already know the vibe. I'm gonna use this 808 here. It's from the upcoming kit. You know what I'm talking about? I'm just gonna follow like the kicks. Paste that shit over. Take that note out. Paste it over. Paste it over. You know what I'm talking about? That shit slapping. I'm gonna just have that open hat hit every 8 bar. I think it's 8 bar, right? I'm gonna cut it at certain spots right there just to make it like stop. Take these middle ones out. Not really rocking with those. I'm just gonna route these to the mixer right here. I don't even think I'm gonna add like a regular clap. I think that's just hitting just like that. Dragging these melodies. I'm gonna just stretch that out. I'm gonna stretch that out. Nah, I'm gonna stretch you out, my G. Hey yo, pause that, my boy. Do a lot more. I could like sauce it up more and put some like effectrix on it and shit. Should I do that? Honestly, rocking with it like that though. I'm not even gonna lie. Hope you guys are having a good start to the year. It's been like a month without a video. I apologize for that. I just like didn't know what to make a video on, to be honest. But yeah, I appreciate all you guys. If you guys want any kits, links are down below. I'm gonna be dropping this kit soon. And follow me on Instagram at ProudMaze. Follow underdogs.000. Venny. You can still catch these hands, you know what I'm saying? You've been dodging me. I'm ready, bro. I've been training for this.